so long as the lens is clean.
Ooh. Oh, sorry, honey.
No, I was totally ready. Real fast. So we're just going to try and stay on straight line. You want to go ahead, James? See how deep it is? A couple rocks. Hole. Yeah, bottom of the suspension, no big deal. Hole. Mud puddle. Hole. Mud puddle. Mud puddle. Bump. Mud. Puddle. Mud. Stream. Rocks. You know what? I don't really feel you back there that much. Alright, we're just gonna take this real slow. We're stuck in the rut. Oh yeah, I'm sure Roxbury will have dried up, they said.
I think I said that.
Jess, I mean this in the nicest way, but this is gonna fucking suck. Whew, there we go, almost set off my airbag. Again. Shall we continue on? Bump up a rock.
Oh, you're taking the high road.
Yep, we're passing them. Shallow, couple rocks to go over, bang. It's gonna be a bump, bump, bump. And some more water. More water. Up, down water, rock, water, water, more rock, water. Woo! Trail! This is nice.
It's straight.
Straight? Yeah. Where does all this go?
They just dead ends.
Water crossing. Bump. Mud, water, it's gonna be nasty. Well, no, sorry, I just meant like rough. That's what park busters are for. Or whatever the fuck these are. Tusk Deflect Pro hand guards. You want to flash me to straight? Awesome. We're not going straight. I don't care if this is the way we're supposed to go. We can't fucking go straight. There's gonna be some drops. That's the way we're supposed to go. One word. And by one word, I mean more than one word. This must be Paradise Lake. Danger, underwater hazards. You know what? Honestly, I'm just impressed that the suspension on this thing. What? No. You can jump it, James. Your Africa twin can handle it. Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks, sir.
Going all through here. The problem is getting your bike down here.
But I mean, look at that. If I didn't have Jessa riding on back, maybe.
Yeah.
But look at that fucking hill climb. No way. And then this,
Yeah.
like,
This is four-wheeler.
I don't have the ground clearance for that. Maybe I could cut down there if I was alone, but again, like, just if I fuck up 2 up, that's just gonna be devastating.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what's that?
You can fish perch.
Perch. Who doesn't love a nice bony perch? Yeah, you just keep posing up a storm there. NRA 700. It's not available here yet, but fuck, does it ever look nice? Oh, this is great. Nope.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna hop off.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Whoa. Yeah.
Well, glad we weren't going any faster. Can you come help me push this bike out?
Oh, shit. That is such a big...
James is like, what a dumbass, I told him so. Yep, see what I'm saying? All I think is, well, I gained this much more ground clearance, honestly. Don't mind coming up. Take the right line. Holy fuck, good job keeping yourself weightless. What does that sound? No, it sounds more prominent now.
Uncertain.
Big bump. Water.
There's something flashing around.
Oh, haha, this is it. Well, at least I know that fender bag won't fall off. Let's roll. I'm gonna go right line. No, you're gonna stay left. Rock. Don't mean to leave your dad behind, but I've got precious cargo. Going right line. I'm really, like, super surprised at how not different this bike feels. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm riding like a little more cautious, but honest to God, I don't have to try that much harder. Well, I mean, you are a burden, for sure, 100%. Don't ever think you're not a burden, but you're not that much of a burden. Oh, getting some butt grabs going on. No one can see that, but I can feel it. It's happening. It's real. Fuck this clay. Holy shit. Pretty sure that was one of the ones you walked.
Oh, I'm so wet right now.
Oh, baby, tell me more. There's no way we can't go over. Oh, no, I don't want to be here. I'll just, I'll try and get over, and if I can't, I'll just, nope, I'm just gonna have to go for it. I got help to push if I need it. Ooh. This was rutted out good. Hop back on. Oh. Yeah, I couldn't find I went to put my foot down on my peg and I couldn't find it. I was like, did I break it? Jesus.
If you were to end up breaking off your peg, could you change it up with one of the passenger ones?
You know what? That is an excellent question. The question was, for anyone who did not hear, is can you change out your foot pegs with the passenger one if you break them on a Vstrom 650 2017 XT? And the answer is, no, you can't. The reason I know this is because I did it. I did it 400 kilometers from home. Actually, it's more like 500 or 600. Anyways, it was a long fucking ways away from home. And no, you cannot. Well, this isn't really marketed as an adventure bike. I decided it was going to be an adventure bike. It's actually a sport adventure tourer. Do you want to stay with me for this one? Or do you want to walk it?
Let's do it.
Sweet. The V-Strom is a road bike meant for like a little bit of gravel mixed in. This is definitely not what it was meant to do. However, it handles doing this just fine. Ooh, almost lost her.
Okay.
Woohoo! Didn't set off the airbag!
Okay, where do you want me to go, on the other side?
I want you to take that side. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's take a look. Didn't break anything.
GoPro is still on.
Hey, there we go.
Yeah, look at that.
You didn't lose anything.
I don't think so.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm good. That's what you need.
I say that is all the sidewall of the tire right there.
Yeah.
Just going totally sideways. I wish you.
You have some fun.
All right. Oh, you heard them now. Let's go have some fun. Oh, don't take the right line. Take the left line.
Yeah, you just go have some fun.
Well, I'm trying. It keeps coming off. That's it. Don't worry. Oh, for fuck's sakes, that thing is loose again. Drive for 5 seconds. Fix bike. Drive for 5 seconds. Fix bike. Drive for 5 seconds. Fix bike. Oop. That was smooth. God, I'm so good. Just fucking amazing. Ride 5 minutes, fix the bike. Ride 5 minutes, fix the bike. Ride 5 minutes, and off the GoPro.